This is Kokumaro Curry Powder Cube, medium hot, made by House Foods Company. House Food Company is the major food company in Japan. I'm going to open it. Check it out. So I have 2 here. So first serving each. I'll try to open this one. Take a look. What it look like. And you flip over. So 4 servings. This is Kokumaro medium hot curry sauce, and this is cooked with chicken breast, onion, rice, and mixed vegetable. This is low calorie and gluten-free recipe. I'm going to taste it with the rice and chicken and mixed vegetable. Right. The medium hot curry is non-spicy, a little bit sweet and non-spicy. It's very good flavor. I'll drink this. Nice. I'm gonna taste Japanese potato chips. This is sea salt flavor, made by Koikeya, Japanese food company, but produced in Vietnam. I'm going to open it. Let's cut it open. Well, that's it. Sea salt flavor potato chips. Let's taste it. Take a bite. Crispy. And not too salty, very good. It's good with the tea, good snack. I'm gonna taste this Japanese potato chips. There are 3 cheeses flavor and made by YBC, a major Japanese food company. 3 cheese flavor are cheddar cheese, sweet cheese, and Gouda cheese. Now I'm gonna open it. Taste it. Strong cheese smells. Drink this. Okay, so it's mild. Good snack with tea. I'm gonna taste this waffle cookie, soy milk flavor, made by Bourbon, a famous Japanese food company. Let's cut it open. Okay. Take it out. Okay. So we got 8. I'm gonna cut it open. There are 2 in this one bag. Open it. Take it out. So 2 in one bag. Okay. Take a bite of this. Smell like soy milk. Crispy. Good. Not too sweet. Good with tea. Yep. It's a good snack with tea. I'm gonna taste this chocolate cream sandwich cookie made by Furuta. Furuta is a major Japanese food company. I'm going to open it. Okay, check it out. Here. Let's cut it open. Check it out. There are 9 cookies here. Taste it. Take one. Good chocolate smell. All right. Very crispy. Chocolate cream inside. Very good. That's good. It's not too sweet. It's a good snack with tea.